So today my video is these new pliers that I got. You know, they're wire cutters. They have these little grooves on them. And the easy part is you just attach it. That way it rolls. And then the good part is they hook on. They cut so smooth. Well, they're new, but this is the first time I'm using it on this type of copper, the way it's rolled. Just cut them and turn. I used to use, other types, but these, because of that little curve, it's easier to, it clamps onto more of the copper itself. Then once that's cut, sometimes there's a couple pieces that slip out that don't cut, but if I crimp it right, it catches on real quick. And then once you do that, then you just get the screwdriver underneath. Oh. Comes out real easy. Every now you get one that I missed, so just pull it with the screwdriver up a little bit, just so it'll catch. And that's it. Majority of the time it just comes right out, but every now and then you get a couple. Like I said, you just get the screwdriver, just pry those pieces that didn't get cut, a few here and there. This one got a big chunk that didn't get cut, so just push it up with the screwdriver a little bit and just catch it again. Some of them will come out on the first one, but every now and then you'll get some that'll push down. Like that one was a pretty thick one. But overall, they work a lot better than just the regular pliers because they're flat, the cutters. Now I got it all. Screwdriver, push it, it's out. Just they're nice pliers. Just that little groove that helps it out to catch a little bit more the majority of the time. Easy that was. Then let's go to the next. Sometimes I do it in an angle I noticed that it'll catch a little bit more. Let's try it this way. Then just press it all the way down. Cut. It didn't catch the bottom, but it got most of it. Looks like this one's cutting a little bit better, more. It's catching them all with a whole chunk of wire. Then screwdriver. Get it. Bam, it's out. One didn't catch. Just pry it up just a little bit. Get underneath it, you're good to go. Or let's try this, make it easier than having to guess where the wire is at the bottom. Wrong one, wrong tool. Screwdriver, pry it up. Look at that. Should have did that from the beginning. Just, I guess what I'll do is cut one side and then flip it over. Then I guess you can kind of see better the holes and everything where you get the pliers. There you go. There's the one down. There's another one. Whip it. Bam, look at that. Nice chunk of copper. Quick and easy. And if one gets wedged in where it doesn't go, just go to the next one. And that will come out. And then that'll give it a little bit more clearance where it'll be easier to come out. And like I said, just keep going. If it doesn't come out, go to the next. And then it comes right out. Look at that. Wiggle room. Well, boom, look at that. Bam, real quick. Quick and easy. I know there's other ways out there to do it. Just for me, it feels like this is the type that I found that is the easiest, especially with those new pliers. Prior to the pliers, it would take me a little bit longer to remove the copper. And every now and then you'll get a little one that doesn't want to go. Just grab you some pliers and yank it out. Help it out. Help it out. And then that one's done. Go to the next. Move it, flip it. And the screwdriver comes in. I used to use those snips, those wire snips, those tin snips. And they worked, but once I got this one with the little hook grooves in it, it's just easier. The other one I had to cut 2-3 times and wiggle it around a lot, and this one is a little bit more efficient. going reverse. Look at that. Throwing the paper out and then the copper in the trash. No bueno. Oh, I'll get that. Oh, almost did it again. There you go. These grooves on here. The little teeth. Pretty good cut. You know. So that's my way. I got about 3-4 more to do. But that's it for the video. Thanks a lot.